In Delaware, inland Sussex and Kent. Bands of heavy showers with wind gusts over 70 miles per hour will affect portions Kent and Sussex counties. At 2:35 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated bands of heavy rain with strong to damaging winds along a line extending from 24 miles south of Ocean City to 50 miles east of Georgetown. The bands of heavy rain and strong winds are moving towards southern and central Delaware. Wind gusts over 70 miles per hour are possible over Sussex County and portions of southern Kent County between 3:30 p.m. and 4:30 p.m., with the highest gusts along the coast of Sussex County. Very heavy rainfall will occur over areas that received heavy rains earlier. The additional heavy rain may weaken tree root systems, resulting in downed trees and power lines. This is NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards for northeastern Maryland.
Anyway, that was for my county, but the actual winds are only going to affect Sussex and southern Kent, so, oh wow.